here is our new home. I'm standing at the front door right now, and when you walk in, this is the hallway. If you make a left, there's the dining room with a big window. And then this is the kitchen, connected to the kitchen. Sorry if this makes you dizzy. It's our fridge and our new stove. And then this goes into the living room and also a bathroom right here. As you can see in it, it's just a really small bathroom. Really tiny. Oh, with a dirty diaper in the sink. Gabriel. Oh, and here's number 2. Hi, number 2. Hi, big boy. Come on. Hi. You want to help me show our new house? Come on. Okay. We have Gabriel's little table set up there. That's the kitchen, and that's the front hallway. Here's a closet. That's a closet right there. And then these are the stairs to go upstairs. And here's our living room. Hi, Gabriel, say hi. Hi. He's playing with the Kindle. They got all their pictures on the wall. Well, mostly of Gabriel, because I just got the internet hooked up. Sorry, Luke. And our TV. Another big window. My mom gave us her recliner, which is awesome. And then on this half of the room, we have the computer. And a great big hutch that my grandmother left here. And of course, Zach's unbaby-proofable drum set, which Luke is in love with all these stupid wires. But whatever. And this is where I hide the toys behind the recliner. And out here is a pretty big deck, which is all ours. It's pretty big. The snow still hasn't melted, even though it's 60 degrees out today. Buddy, I'm going upstairs, okay? Here's up the stairs. Of course, I have more pictures of the boys. Look, Luke. Look. Hi. Hi. And some more pictures. If you go to the right, this is the boys' room, which is a huge disaster. I'll show you that later after I clean it. And if you go to the left, this is our bedroom, meaning all of ours. Our closet, which isn't too big. Another big window looking outside into our neighborhood. This is where Gabriel sleeps, because he won't sleep in his new bedroom. This is where Zach and I sleep. And this is where Luke sleeps. Right? Right? Here's our big thing. Whatever that's called, the big chest. So all of our furniture finally fits in a room. And I will clean up the boys' room and then show you that. And then here's a bathroom in the middle of us. That's where I put Luke so I can take a shower. And this bathroom's a little bit bigger than the other one. And then here's a really big linen closet. then that's downstairs, and that's it. That's the house. Upstairs is the bedrooms, and downstairs is the living room, and here's a before of the boys' bedroom. And now here is the after of the boys' bedroom. I'm just walking in now, and on this side is their beds. Gabe's got the big boy bed and Luke's in the crib. And in that trunk is all their blankets. There's the window outside. They look over our deck. Their toys. Big old television that was my mom and dad's actually about 15 years ago. Yeah. Do you like your new room? You do. I like it too. And then this is their play area. The basketball net and bikes and books. And these are Gabriel's artwork of his pictures. And their big old closet, which I kind of took over with my stuff over here. But that's okay. Alright, and that's it. That's the house. That's all, right, Luke? That's it, buddy. Oh, excuse you. Are you burping? Excuse you. Big boy. My big boy. Hi. Oh, get off. You're pulling my camera cord. Come on. Also downstairs in the hallway. What are you doing? Getting a Gatorade? Those are Daddy's. Babe, your hair looks crazy. Crazy. Do you want some of that?
Yeah.
That's not how you open it. Hey, that's not how you open it either. What do you say? Also is our laundry room. Is right in here. And off of this, in this door, is the garage, which is huge but filthy, so I'm not even gonna go in there. My grandmother still has all her crap in there, so that's that. Duff, you having some Gatorade? You having some Gatorade, Duffy?
That's blue Gatorade. But I don't have some more blue Gatorade and one more red Gatorade.
Well, that's because you drank it all.
Yeah.
Didn't you drink it all?
I didn't drink the Gatorade all.
You think so?
Yeah. That's a G.
A G for Gabriel and Gatorade.
Gatorade.
Gabriel and Gatorade. Right?
Yeah.
Right, Luke? Chunky? Chunky man? Look at those cheeks. Look at those cheeks. So what do you want to do today?
Have fun with my toys.
Huh?
Have fun with Duffy.
Have fun with Duffy. Oh, don't touch the flowers. That's enough. Gabe, leave him alone, please.
What's my Gatorade?
They were?
Yeah. And they was born right here.
Yeah.
What did that?
Did what?
It was flowers on the table.
You did? Luke spilled the flowers on the table?
Oh, he's done it.
Luke, you're shaking the flowers. Hey! Crazy man. You're shaking the whole table.